There's a very excited puppy.
What are we doing?
Yes, they're my knees. Hi. Watch him stop doing it the minute I start. That's my butt. That's still my butt. That's also my butt. Okay, you guys remember the drill. You've done this for 9 years. Not 7.
Is it 9 years?
9
Is it
years.
really?
Yes.
Really?
You guys have been putting us up with us for 9 years.
And I haven't changed a bit.
No, we look as fresh as daisies. Merry Vlogmas!
Yes.
We've had an interesting morning.
Yep.
My laptop died dead again. So we've just had an orgy of spending. Mum and Dad have very kindly offered me a bridging loan between now and when my savings account comes mature. And Mum and I are off out to Curry's next to go and have a look at monitors and hard drives and stuff. But we decided we'd come and do calendars. Oh, I've been licked. How exciting. I've been licked. Calendars first.
Post-haste.
Right.
So we've got to do that one,
Yes,
haven't we?
day 4 because we did day 6 on day 4.
While you're doing that,
No. I'll hold it. Oh, Dad's going to pre-prepare. Mum's going to be confused. He's so excited. Everyone thinks you're very beautiful.
Hi, what's this? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
It so stinks.
Ooh, what's in there?
I need to try and film it from this angle. Oh, they're new.
Ooh. It's like a sausage.
Little sausages.
Probably a German sausage. That'll be
How many bits did you get? Oh, a decent chunk. Oh, wow. You might need to trim some of those down. They're quite hefty.
quite big, aren't they? For a little boy.
Quite hefty. Right, my turn. You're not making life easy, Kai.
I'm going to show everyone how good you are.
Day 6.
Thank you.
Day 6. There it is. It's bigger than Mum. There we have, peanut butter. I'm going to be interested in that because I do like the idea. Do you remember that amazing New Zealand Whittaker's chocolate that Melanie sent us?
Yeah.
That was she sent peanut butter for Dad and it was delicious. So, yes. Are you staying for exit the game? You are. You haven't got to go.
No.
We're not going out again except with me until this evening. Right, do you want to go on the floor, young man? Because as beautiful as you are a slight distraction. We're all prepared.
all right.
Right, what's the story?
Well, Klaus is looking for his nuts.
Is
Of course he is.
Yeah.
You had meatballs yesterday.
Yeah.
Nuts today.
Right. Foreign languages are so important. The Mermileron gave you a really helpful tip. You can shorten the racetrack via the planet Amico.
Okay.
This is a candy planet, says Claus happily, candy being sweeties. The perfect place for a little stopover. A short time later, he lands the spaceship and jumps out. We follow him and can hardly believe our eyes. Everything is made of sweets.
Yum.
Gingerbread rock,
Yum.
chocolate streams, lollipop trees, it's all there. A soda UFO roars past to harvest fizzy drops from the air. What a sweet idyll. Unsurprisingly, Klaus immediately starts eating his way through the undergrowth.
Oh no.
He'll be wanting the loo again soon.
This is supposed to be a quick stop. If we stay here any longer, we won't have gained any advantage. The shortcut will have been wasted. Calm down, says Klaus, still munching. I just need a little energy kick and then I can continue. How much more energy? You've stuffed yourself with tons of sweets. Yes, but I've not found the right thing yet. The last time I was here, I ate some really great nuts. Real power boosters. When I eat those, I'll be bursting with energy. You'll hardly recognise me. Now,
Don't worry about Klaus.
right, icing numbers you have found, so use them if you're able to cover nuts that lie around somewhere on the table. If you do as you are bidden, you will find the code once hidden.
Okay.
So we open up number 6.
Okay.
Here.
Little finger again.
Yep.
Oh, we got cards today. That's hopeful.
Loads of cards.
Oh,
Let's get in touch with them.
I haven't emailed them yet, no,
Oh, no.
because the internet. Oh, there's a beginning of the riddle. Do you want me to take a photo of it so you can see it slightly easier?
These 3 nuts give you a boost. Don't let them out of sight, as icing's numbers you may use if you can read them right. But wait, don't enter them just yet. there is a second step.
Which is that one?
Yeah, so walnuts. The first one's walnut in the middle.
We've got walnuts, almonds, and then the green ones. Pistachios. That must be what they are.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, they're going to say words. Oh.
Right. Well, that's E.
It's still
It's not backwards.
Oh, okay, now I
Capital
can see
E.
it. Okay.
Capital E. Yeah.
So it's 737.
Is it?
Yes.
And it is.
Yes.
Yes.
We needed a lot of help for that one. Oh, that was
Painful.
that was painful. That one.
It wasn't readily obvious.
No, not at all. Glad it's not just me.
No.
He's on the lap. Hang on. With his stick.
Chewing stick.
It's never happened.
Guys,
Yeah.
it looks like you're smoking something. Maybe it's my chair. Maybe that's the secret ingredient.
And he looks pleased with
He
himself.
does look pleased with himself. He always looks pleased with himself, but particularly when he's got like one of his chewy sticks hanging out the side of his mouth. Right, so we are going to go to Curry's next.
You are.
Yes.
I'm not.
Mum and Dad are heading out this evening for pub quiz.
We are.
Is it Christmas themed? Do you know?
I would imagine, yeah, with Hobbit.
Yeah, they're going out for pub. They're abandoning me.
Again.
Abandoning me.
Again.
So I will have to fend for myself for dinner. It will be fine. Anyway, we're going to go do those things.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Hot chocolate taste test. Smells good. No, that's not for me. I'm going to drink it because it's got my collagen in it, and that's an expensive thing to waste. But yeah, I wouldn't buy that one again. It's not horrible, but it's not my favourite thing that I've ever eaten or drunk in this case. Mum's just walking the dog because he's very demanding that he was like, I would like to be walked first, please. And then we're off to Curry's. I have that happy sick feeling of like, I've got new tech coming, it's going to be really exciting, and I've just spent £2,100 and I'm going to go and spend more, which is also like, ugh. I mean, I've been saving up for this for 4 years and it's needed. The laptop, I think I mentioned the laptop, I came down and it just turned itself on, and it turned itself off at 6 o'clock last night and just until about half an hour ago was dead. And it's not that it's too warm, I left it down here overnight plugged in. I've changed the plugs, I've changed the sockets, I've changed the ports that it gets plugged into because it's got 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports on it. So yeah, it's just not happy. It's not happy. So we're going to go and get an external hard drive as well to take the current libraries I have on my Final Cut Pro and move them over to external storage, just in case it does completely crash in on itself and die dead forever and ever. And that way I won't lose, because I've still got all the footage of turning this place from this into what it is currently. I'm halfway through editing that video. I really want to get it, editing, damn it. It's 2. I really want to get it up in December. I'm really intrigued. I've actually been keeping a compilation of all the times I say the E word, because I was going to do a upgrade my workspace video in February when I bought the new furniture and the new computer and the, you know, the new everything, and I was going to do this like I've got it already. Editing, but I was going to do this compilation of like, maybe I don't hate doing this thing, maybe it's just the software that I was using was making it into such more of a mammoth task than it actually was or needed to be, and I might be able to do that sooner. I'm going to have to wait till February to get like all the upgrades of furniture and storage for that room and the little bit of decoration stuff that I wanted to get for it. I am an aesthetic creature. I like my workspaces to look nice, so that is something that's very important to me, so that will still be happening. It arrives tomorrow as well, which is wild. Absolutely wild to me. In fact, I don't think we're going to be able to have a screen in time for it. We will see what Curry's have to offer and what they say. Fingers crossed it all works out. But I'm going to finish my hot chocolate. I mean, it's hot chocolate with a bit of a peanut taste to it, so it's not the worst thing in the world. It's just not my preference, so I wouldn't buy this one again. But if you like peanut chocolates, this might be for you. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling and get this drunk and go out with Mum, and we'll see how that goes. Wish us luck, and I will report back later.
1 eternity later.
Do it again. Go on, do it again. The minute I get the camera out, he's like, no, shan't. It is much later in the day. In fact, it is, I think, about 4:45. No, it's 5 o'clock. We have run a number of errands, which has been really good. I am just gonna turn this on whilst it's still pretending that it's good. No, it's turned itself off again. Oh no, it's working. Oh, that's exciting. So yes, it's been an exciting day. We have ordered the Mac Studio. As I think I told you earlier, Mum and Dad have very kindly loaned me the money in the interim because my payment, I don't get my savings account until the end of January, beginning of February. Then the thing with the Mac Studio is it's going to be brilliant because of the power that it has, and it should last me for a long time. Theoretically, this one's lasted 8 years, but it doesn't come with a screen, it doesn't come with a webcam, doesn't come with a keyboard or any of those things. Now, we have recently bought a new Apple keyboard for the desktop, my desktop up there. The one that I have up there is a 2012 model, and it is running on 10.6 operating software, and the current software that everything else is running on is 15.6, and I can't update that one anymore because it's so old. It also doesn't support Final Cut Pro, so it's not like I can even edit on that one. We did try that, but Dad bought a new Apple keyboard for that one, a wired one, and the Mac Studio comes with USB ports, so that's going to be fine. My mouse is still working fine. It's a Bluetooth mouse. That will be fine, but I did need to go and get a monitor. I also bought an arm for it. I've got a 2 terabyte external hard drive that I'm going to now attempt to put all of my video libraries, which is unedited raw footage, onto this, which theoretically should then take it off of this and free up some memory on this, so it might help this limp along a little bit. Because what I'm hoping is, oh, what else did I buy? Oh, I bought a webcam, because one of the monitors I was looking at had a webcam built in, but the price difference was huge. It was an extra £500, and that's way more than just the webcam. It was a bigger screen as well by about 11 inches, but you know, I'm used to working on a 16-inch MacBook Pro, so 34 inches is going to be amazing. So that's all coming tomorrow, which means tomorrow's Vlogmas will be setting up the office as best we can. There's still bits and pieces that need to be bought to make it like beautiful and aesthetic and well organized, but it will be functional as of tomorrow, and I won't be fighting with my laptop. And I was saying to Mum earlier, something that I had been doing is clipping out all the times I say editing, and putting it into a video, because I was going to do a clip of like, do I hate editing, or have I just been using something that's been fighting me the entire time? Because I don't remember hating it as much as I currently do. I don't remember it being something that I actively dreaded. I don't think it was ever anything that I like really got joy from. It is creative, but not in the way that like using your hands kind of creative, but I don't remember loathing it as much as I currently do. So it's going to be really interesting to see how that comes out tomorrow when the new computer arrives. I'm so excited. Anyway, I need to try and get my raw footage over onto this to see if we can free up some space on this to make this happier. Just don't want to lose like all the tutorials that I've got half finished and all the footage that's on there, and yeah, wish me luck. We'll see how this goes.
20 minutes later.
Theoretically, my entirety of my Final Cut Pro library is on this now. It took 25 minutes to get it all over, 700 and something gigabytes. I've left the original on my laptop. We will find out tomorrow when I start up my new computer if the footage has come across in a state that can be used and edited, and if it can, then I can delete it all off the laptop, which should really help the laptop not be so miserable. I mean, it just needs to be put out to pasture. It needs to, you know, yeah, that but look how tiny this thing is. That's 2 terabytes. That's 141 pounds. Oh, I have a feeling that going forward in the future I'm going to need a lot of these as well, because YouTube videos, I do like to keep them. Obviously I have them on my YouTube channel, but if anything goes wrong with that and it gets taken away or somebody steals it, which has happened to other people, that's all of my hard work for the last however many, gosh, 12 years I think it is, gone. So it is advisable to keep backups, and obviously I have a cloud where things go as well, but that's also hackable. That theoretically is my current Final Cut Pro library. as I say, we'll see tomorrow when everything arrives if that is actually true. Fingers crossed it is. But for tonight, I'm going to call it a night. I'm so sorry, it's literally just been me talking at you rather than actually doing anything, but that has been my day. Tomorrow will be an exciting one. I'm very, very excited. I will see you all then for setting up of new things, which, exciting. I shall see you then. Bye.